Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to connect Terabox to a Telegram bot and download files easily. This works on both your phone and laptop, so it doesn't matter which device you are using. After searching, click the first result. It should say something like JB Terabox. Here, this one. After searching, click on it. This will redirect you to the Telegram bot. Open it in your Telegram, whether mobile or desktop, and click this one. Once you're inside the bot, tap the start button here. You will get a welcome message from the bot explaining what it does. To use it, just copy any Terabox link and press it here in the message. This bot will then automatically download the video or file from the link and send it back to you in the chat. It's a super easy way to get your Terabox files directly in Telegram without opening the app. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thank you.